sklearn, manifold, isomap. Description. Isomap isometric mapping is a nonlinear dimensionality reduction technique that aims to preserve the geodesic distances between data points in a lower dimensional embedding. It is particularly useful for visualizing high-dimensional data that has a nonlinear manifold structure, such as images or text. Inputs. X. The input data, typically a NumPy array of shape n samples. N features, where n samples is the number of data points and n features is the number of features. N neighbors, the number of nearest neighbors to consider when constructing the neighborhood graph. This parameter affects the smoothness of the embedding and the computational complexity. Outputs. Embedding, the resulting low-dimensional embedding of the data. A NumPy array of shape n samples. N components, where n components is the desired dimensionality of the embedding. Reconstruction error, the reconstruction error of the embedding, which measures the difference between the original distances in the high-dimensional space and pay distances in the low-dimensional embedding. Steps. 1. Construct a neighborhood graph. The algorithm first constructs a graph where each data point is connected to its k nearest neighbors based on the Euclidean distance. 2. Compute shortest paths using the constructed graph. Isomap computes the shortest paths between all pairs of data points. These shortest paths represent the geodesic distances on the manifold. 3. Perform multidimensional scaling MDS. The computed geodesic distances are then used as input for classical multidimensional scaling MDS, which finds the optimal low-dimensional embedding that preserves these distances as much as possible. Metrics. Reconstruction error measures how well the low-dimensional embedding preserves the original distances in the high-dimensional space. Lower reconstruction error indicates a better embedding. Stress. A similar metric to reconstruction error, also known as Kruskal stress, which measures the discrepancy between the distances in the high-dimensional space and pay distances in the low-dimensional embedding. Visualization plots. Scatter plot. The low-dimensional embedding can be visualized using a scatter plot, where each point represents a data point and its position in the plot corresponds to its coordinates in the embedding. This plot helps to identify clusters and nonlinear structures in the data. Pairwise distance plot. A matrix plot that shows the pairwise distances between data points in a high-dimensional space and the low-dimensional embedding. This plot helps to visually assess how well the embedding preserves the distances. Fine-tune parameters. N neighbors. The number of nearest neighbors used to construct the neighborhood graph. A larger value can lead to a smoother embedding but might oversmooth nonlinear structures. N components. The desired dimensionality of the embedding. Lower dimensions can lead to a more compact representation but might lose important information. Metric. The distance metric used to compute the nearest neighbors. Different metrics can lead to different embeddings. Eigensolver. The solver used to compute the eigenvectors and eigenvalues in the MDS step. Uncertainty methods. Non-isomap does not directly provide uncertainty estimates for the embedding. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. High computational complexity. Computing the shortest paths between all pairs of points can be computationally expensive for large datasets, especially with a large number of neighbors. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A dataset with millions of data points and a high number of neighbors, e.g. n neighbors 50. Fixes to challenge 1. Reduce the number of neighbors, n neighbors. This reduces the computational complexity of a shortest path calculation. Use a more efficient algorithm for shortest path computation. Consider using specialized graph algorithms. such as Dijkstra's algorithm or Floyd-Warshall algorithm, for more efficient shortest path computation. Challenge 2. Sensitivity to noise. ISOMAP can be sensitive to noisy data, as noise can distort the geodesic distances and lead to inaccurate embeddings. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 2: a dataset with high levels of noise, where the original distances between points are heavily corrupted. Fixes to Challenge 2: pre-process the data to remove noise. Apply noise reduction techniques, such as smoothing or filtering, to reduce the impact of noise. Use a robust distance metric. Consider using a distance metric that is less sensitive to outliers, such as the Manhattan distance or the Mahalanobis distance. Challenge 3: difficulty in handling data with complex manifold structures. ISOMAP might struggle to accurately embed data with highly complex or disconnected manifolds. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 3: a dataset with multiple disconnected manifolds or manifolds with multiple folds or loops. Fixes to Challenge 3: consider alternative dimensionality reduction techniques. Explore other methods, such as T-SNE or UMAP, which might be better suited for handling complex manifold structures. Experiment with different parameter settings. Adjust parameters like n neighbors and the distance metric to find the best settings for the specific dataset.